St. Ty Lopez or Alex Becker. I'm trying to sell you no alligator grease, masked as $1,000 courses or dressed up as motivational speeches. I'm Shy.
And I'm Damon.
I think we're going to start with income, right?
Income is definitely the way we want to go. $0,
$1,000, $10, whatever you have, building up toward that, and it starts with your income. You won't want to be around for this one.
Income, we're going to move over to credit, and then we'll transition into investments.
Yeah, man. We're going to cover everything on this channel from real estate, gold and silver, crypto, building a small business, creating passive income, and how we started a business on $500. Yeah,
literally
$500. We all want to get money. We all want to live comfortable, live lavish, build up wealth. And this channel was going to be about how you start that from the ground up. We're not going to sell you desert cookies.
I like that one.
Desert cookies. We also got a financial model. So the financial model is called the miracle method. So we're going to show you that. I'm going to have the whiteboard and everything with the marker so everybody can follow along. We ain't going to have no cars in the background showing you all that heebie-jeebies.
Heebie-jeebies, all the, I think I got it when I don't.
Yeah, that's real. A lot of that going on. Yo, hit that like button, subscribe, share. What else we got? Notifications so you know when we upload a video. We'll catch y'all later, man.